Today we will learn Chinese characters.
上
Next, let's watch the pronunciation demonstration.
上 shi ang 上 上 上 面 上 面 书在桌子上面，书在桌子上面。上学，上学。我周一去上学。我周一去上学。晚上，晚上，晚上，我在家看电视。晚上，我在家看电视。
Next, let's look at how to write this character. This character has few strokes, so everyone should find it quite easy to write. These two strokes are the key to writing this character well. This character means a high position or the upper part, opposite to lower. Ancient Chinese people held this character in high regard, embodying the hierarchy of superiority and inferiority as well as etiquette culture. It is now widely used in daily life to express directions, ranks, and actions, such as going to school, climbing mountains, and superior grade. It is also a commonly used Chinese character. See you next class. That's all for today.